society we live in now is so hectic, it's so difficult to relax, to wind down. The mind gets so busy all the time. I looked into the scientific studies that have been made relating to which sounds make people relax. I've made an 8-hour ambient album with 8 songs, and each song represents or reinterprets a neighborhood in New York City. So you take all the noise from this neighborhood and you turn this noise, you manipulate it, you put it into effect processors and whatnot, and you turn it into music that helps people sleep. There's a different energetic signature in the air in one neighborhood compared to another neighborhood. Imagine if by doing some music that you could help thousands of people to get a better night's sleep. Just think of the consequences. These 8 hours of music that I've done are being performed at this one-time performance at the top of a beautiful building. The audience there will be asleep, so people are sleeping in tents. So my night will have been a successful night if no one actually listened to the music I do.